Hi guys, this is another POV street photography video. Today we are by the lake right next to the Macau tourist tower. I think it is one of the most iconic buildings here in the city, but in this video the tower is not my focus. I'm going to have a walk under these trees and take photos of the cars and scooters passing by. I am using my Sony ZVE10 and Sony 18-105mm f4. This is the most versatile lens I have ever used. Even though the largest aperture is only f4, but when you zoom into about 70 or 80mm or above, you can get a nice background blur. So here we have a very nice curve. So I'm thinking about making it a leading line so that when cars or scooters pass by, it's gonna look cool. Apart from the leading line, I'm also looking for some light and shadow. The sun is really bright today, but luckily we have lots of trees and we can see some shadows of the trees, creating the patterns on the ground. So I'm trying to capture maybe a scooter passing by, and I'm hoping that the scooter can be at the area where it is brighter so that it can really pop out. Instead of keep walking and searching for something interesting to take photos of, today I'm just going to spend more time waiting for the interesting things to come to me. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have a lot more POV street photography videos to come. So if you like my videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.